Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload this Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix screen double tap to activate problem. Friends, you have this setting and friends you have this problem, and friends you are not operating your Poco mobile, so how to fix this problem and how to solve this double tap to activate problem. So we call it talkback. So friends, now let's see how to solve talkback problem. So first of all guys, we will lock our screen and how to unlock phone. So guys, two finger use and you can swipe and you can unlock your phone. Friends, if you use one finger on your device, friends, you can see one finger where we cannot swipe here. So as one tap here and double tap, then friends you can swipe here. So as you cannot unlock your phone with one finger, use your two finger, swipe. Again use your two finger and friends click on phone setting and friends double tap on phone setting and friends click on Bluetooth and any setting guys you can click here. So I will click on Bluetooth setting. Friends, again use your two finger because if you use one finger guys you cannot use your Poco phone screen. So friends, use your two finger and scroll it. Friends, one tap on additional setting and guys double tap on additional setting. Friends, click on quick pause setting, screen recorder setting, one hand mode setting. So scroll it. Accessibility setting is one tap and double tap here. Friends, click on vision setting and double tap. Friends, click on talkback and double tap here. Friends, click on talkback setting and friends continue to tap again. One tap on stop button and friends you want to solve your talkback problem. So with double tap here your problem will solve. Double tap, talkback problem solve. Friends, you can see double tap to activate problem will solve. And friends, we can on our phone setting we can use any app with one tap we can on it. So like that friends you can fix and friends you can solve talkback problem on your Poco phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. And friends, you can solve talkback with shortcut setting friends. Direct click on search option and friends search here talkback. Talkback friends, click here and friends you can on. You want to use talkback, you can on from here, allow here and you can use it. You don't want to use one tap, double tap, one tap, double tap, problem solve. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.